back to my channel. My name is Tamara, and today I have a review on this hair. This is the Nadula hair from I think it's from AliExpress. But this is hopping. This hair is everything. Before buying this hair, I looked at tons and tons of reviews. I got mixed reviews and all that. People said that the hair was bad. A lot of people said it was good. So I was like, let me try it out for myself. I tried out the hair, and honestly, so far so good. This has to be one of the best hairs I got from AliExpress. It's so soft, doesn't get tangled, and you can just run your hands through it like.
So this hair is from AliExpress. I got it from the brand Nadula. Like, I'm gonna put it right here because it's kind of hard to say in a way. It's like, you cannot be talking. I have to cut this out. No, I guess you can talk. Fuck it. He's behind the camera, so if you want to see the input. So the hair that I received is 28, 30, and 18-inch closure. This is what the closure is looking like. I kind of really didn't do anything to it, but cut the lace that was extra on the closure. I feel like I didn't really need to do anything, but I feel like, I don't know, I might tweeze it a little bit, and I don't know. Does it seem like I need to do anything to it?
No, you look
does it look
nice.
fine? It looks fine? Oh, thanks, bitch. Oh, that's so nice. And yes. Oh, and my hack for getting volume was when I blow dry the wig, I hold it upside down. So I hold it the opposite way that the hair would be falling, and I blow dry it that way the entire time. And then I put it on my head while it's still damp, and then I blow dry it downwards. And yeah, it gave me some volume, you know. It doesn't look super thin. It's a very good thickness, in my opinion. It's a natural thickness, because you don't want a wig to be bulky and just have so much hair where it's like when you're styling it, you're taking forever. When you're combing through it, you're taking forever. So these 3 bundles were enough for me, and yes, I'm hoping to keep this as long as possible. I still have plans to dye it, but I'm going to do that for the spring, just to kind of change my look a little bit in the springtime. So I want to dye it in the spring. I have ideas of how I want to dye it. I'm thinking of highlights, and then I'm kind of thinking of ombre. So it's going to be between one of those two. So yeah, this was just a quick review on the hair because I just curled it and I was like, oh, it's looking good today, so I might as well just update my butterflies on this hair that I've been wearing. So yeah, I really like it, and shout out to Nadula hair because this hair is pretty good. Oh, and the shedding, like, I don't get shedding. The girl who did it for me, she cut them when she sewed it on, and I have not been getting any shedding. I have not been getting any snags. Like, y'all, it's been great with this hair.